How to create diagrams from code using MassiveDiag on Bibcit? Want to create professional diagrams from code effortlessly? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use MassiveDiag on Bibcit for code-based diagram creation. Access MassiveDiag. First, go to bibcit.com. On the homepage, look for MassiveDiag. Click the Create Diagram button to open the tool. Understanding the interface. When you open MassiveDiag, you will see a code editor on the left where you can enter your diagram code, a preview section on the right to visualize your diagram, a Create Diagram button at the bottom, upload code option if you want to load a file instead of writing code manually. Creating your first diagram. By default, MassiveDiag loads an example code in the editor. This default code represents a basic diagram. To create your own diagram, delete this default code and replace it with your custom diagram code. Writing or generating diagram code. Do you need to write the diagram code yourself? Not necessarily. Use AI tools like Claude or ChatGPT to generate diagram code for you. Simply describe the diagram you want, and AI will create the code automatically. Paste the AI-generated code into MassiveDiag. Selecting the correct diagram type. MassiveDiag supports multiple diagram formats, including UML and software architecture, Plant UML, C4 Plant UML, Mermaid, NomNomal, DBML, Structurizer, UMLet. Graphs and networks, GraphViz D2, ERD Smiles. Block and flow diagrams, BlockDiag, ActDiag, EntUDiag, PacketDiag, RackDiag, SeekDiag, BPMN, DITA, Picker. Technical and specialized, WaveDrom, Bytefield, SVG Bob, TickZeed, Symbolator, WireViz. Data and mind visualization, Vega, VegaLite, Excalidraw, MarkMap. Vector graphics, SVG. If your diagram doesn't display correctly, select the correct diagram type from the drop-down menu, generating the diagram. Once your code is ready, click the Create Diagram button. Your diagram will be instantly generated in the preview panel. If needed, adjust or modify your code and regenerate the diagram. Downloading and exporting the diagram. MassiveDiag allows you to download your diagram in multiple formats. SVG, ideal for web use and scalable graphics. JSX, if you want to use the diagram in a React project. PNG, standard image format for easy sharing. PDF, perfect for professional documents and reports. DOCX, insert your diagram into a Word document for further editing. Click the Download button and choose your preferred format, using the diagram in your document. If you're using MassiveMark on Bibcit, you can insert the diagram directly into your document. Otherwise, use the exported file in presentations, research papers, reports, or code documentation. Enhance your documents with diagrams. MassiveDiag makes it easy to create visual diagrams from code, helping you save time, improve clarity, enhance your reports, research, and documentation. Try MassiveDiag today and take your content to the next level. Did you find this video helpful? Like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered content automation tutorials.